Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download install Microsoft Outlook on Android. So how to download install Microsoft Outlook on Android? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Play Store app on your Android device. This is the initial display of the Play Store application, and so on. Please enter the search menu. Type Microsoft Outlook in search. Tap Microsoft Outlook. Tap Install. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. So that's it, tutorial on how to download install Microsoft Outlook on Android. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.